As a work from home dog mom, not only do I make online educational digital products for all my students worldwide, but I also have a local dog boarding and dog walking business. So my house does have to stay clean. It is a must. So for this video, I wanted to show you how I clean and disinfect my rug so that when I have a new boarding client come over, they are not smelling anything from any of the previous dogs. By cleaning my rug with this method, I am deep cleaning it. That means taking it outside, letting it dry outside. So for this process, I'm gonna have two products. First one is my Rug Doctor Urine Eliminator. And the second one, of course, Odoban. So we're gonna have both of these things working together, but I also want to take that rug outside to really wash it off, get anything removed from it, and then let it dry outside. So for this type of deep cleaning for my area rug in my downstairs dog boarding room, I need at least 1 day of sunshine to make sure it fully dries. So let me hop behind the screen and let's do this. Here is the rug that we are going to be cleaning today. The very first step that I'm going to do is to use my Rug Doctor Urine Eliminator Stain and Odor Remover Foaming Power to spray on all over this rug and let it soak in. Now this has a daybreak smell, which is very clean smelling, but I'm just gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. As we let it sit, the one thing I wanted to talk to you about this rug in my boarding room / doggy playroom is that this is an indoor outdoor rug. Now the reason why I went with an indoor outdoor rug for inside of my house is because this rug, being an indoor outdoor area rug for this downstairs, is not plush, is not thick carpet. So with me having a lot of different dogs coming and going, this is the ideal rug that I would highly recommend to anyone that has puppies that aren't potty trained, adult dogs that they've rescued that they're still in the process of potty training, because usually the thicker the rug, the more scrubbing is going to be involved and longer dry time. Usually for a thick area rug, it can take up to 3 days for it to dry. So if you do a deep cleaning of your rug and then take it outside to rinse it off, you will have to make sure that there is 3 days of sunshine. Where if you get an indoor outdoor rug that you absolutely love the color of, doing this process and getting it back inside by tomorrow, if not by the end of today, depending on how hot it is ideal for me, just because I do have a dog boarding business. So once we have let this soak in for 15 minutes, now I am going to get my steam vac out, which I have a Hoover steam vac, an older version, but it still works fantastic and I love it. And I am going to steam vac the rug with an Odoban diluted solution. Then, and only then, are we going to take it outside to rinse it completely off. So now, once I roll it up and take it outside, I'm going to put it onto my concrete patio, take my hose, and rinse it off really well. So anything that might be stuck will start to loosen up and come out. I'm gonna spray the front and the back. And then just let it sit out in the sun and fully dry out before bringing it back in. So today it was an 85-degree day, which means every couple of hours I moved the rug to a different dry section on the patio, and it was dry in 5 hours. Absolutely happy with it. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this from your work from home dog mom, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. I upload 2 videos every week, and I hope to see you again. Take care.